Greetings, designers, and welcome to Typography, the coolest class you're ever going to take. Why is it cool? Because type is cool. And once you start working with type, you'll never be satisfied until it looks awesome. We're going to learn how to play with type. Type really is elastic. It's kind of like clay or silly putty or something like that. You can pull it, you can push it around, you can overlap it. You can do all kinds of cool things with type. And we're going to learn how to do that. You may think about type and you go, well, I click on my little drop-down menu and I scroll down till I find the typeface that I want and I click on it and I'm done. Well, no, you've just selected a typeface, but there are so many things you can do with that type. You can overlay it, you can make it transparent, you can put it over the top of an image, you can put it vertically, you can type really tightly, you can play with color. There are just so many things that you can do that will allow you to play with type in a very, very creative way. Why do we do this? Well, we do it because we want to make our type emotive. We want to have our type be connected to the message, and the message would then be connected to our market, our audience. Really what we're doing as designers, we are really not artists per se. We're communicators. What we do is we take a message from a client, we push it through a filter, that happens to be a poster, a flyer, a website, whatever, and we deliver that message to our target market. Our target market then responds positively, and then they buy the product, they pick up the phone, they send money, whatever they have to do. Typography is the most important part of that. I mean, granted, you're going to maybe have a really powerful image that draws you in, but the type is the message. And so what we're going to play with is the idea of the medium as the message. So basically what happens is that it's not just type, it becomes art, it becomes design, it becomes dynamic, it becomes the vehicle. It helps the message move through the filter and get to the target market, and the target market goes, wow, cool. So that's why type is cool. And once you start working with it, you'll develop a passion for it, and it will never be the same after this. This class will be the turning point in your design career. I look back at a workshop that I did when I was in school. I studied under Swiss typographers, and we were working with type 8 hours a day, 5 days a week for 4 weeks, working with 4 different Swiss typographers. That was an experience that just changed my design career forever. I modeled this class a lot after what I learned in that workshop. And so you're going to be doing some of the same types of exercises, and I've modified them. And certainly when I did it, we didn't have computers. It was more, it was all analog, kind of exciting. With digital, we have so many more possibilities, and we can run through so many more possibilities so much quicker. So this class is going to be fast-paced. You're going to be just diving into type, and you're going to be learning everything from the way letter forms are created, all the way through how layout happens, through experimental typography. That's going to teach you how to play with type and really be creative with it. And then we're going to end up with a really cool final project where you get to put the whole thing together into a really awesome final project. So that's what's going to happen in this class. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fast-paced. It's going to be a lot of work, but you're going to be a typographer and an awesome designer when you finish. Cool? Awesome.